Hello everyone. Today we will discuss iEditors. In this video, we will go through all the importance parameters of iEditors life and work through question answer and revision also. So let's start. This is iEditors. Its full name Ivor Armstrong Richards, known as father of new criticism. These are the books. First question is, what is the full name of I.A. Richards? Options are Ivor Armstrong Richards, Ivan Armstrong Richards, Ivor Armour Richards, Ivan Armour Richards. Correct answer, Ivor Armstrong Richards. Next question, where was I.A. Richards born? Options, England, Scotland, India, USA. Answer, England. So these are important information about I.A. Richards, born February 26, 1893, Sandbach, Cheshire in England, died September 7, 1979 at the age of 86, Cambridge. Occupation, teacher, literary critic and director also. Nationality, British. Period belong to 20th century. Education, Clifton College and Magdalen College, University of Cambridge. Spouse, Dorothy Pillai Richards. Next question. In which book Richards analyzed self-reported interpretive work of students? Interpretive means self-realize the exact meaning of word. Options are New Criticism, Basic Project, Practical Criticism, Literary Criticism. So correct answer, Practical Criticism. In the Practical Criticism of 1929, he stressed on critical reading without context and developed the critical thinking ability of his people. Next question, which is the most influential and collaborative work of Richards? Options are The Meaning of Meaning, Science and Poetry, Mencius on the Mind, Speculative Instruments. So correct answer, The Meaning of Meaning in 1923. Its collaborative work with the C.K. Ogden. Full name Charles K. Ogden. He was a linguist, philosopher and writer. And notably note down the 4 books. These are the 4 books: The Meaning of Meaning, Foundations of Aesthetics, Basic English, A General Introduction with Rules and Grammar, The Times of India, Guide to Basic English. Next question, who is known as father of new criticism? Options, Matthew Arnold, Terry Eagleton, I.A. Richards, Karl Marx. So correct answer, I.A. Richards. Although the term new criticism was first coined in the 19th century, but it was used in common academic and literary uses only after the poet John Crow Ransom titled a book The New Criticism in 1941. Next question, choose the correct options. So these are the options. Principles of Literary Criticism, published during 1924. Practical Criticism, 1930. Coleridge on Imagination, 1935. The Meaning of Meaning, 1946. So these are the options A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D. So correct answer is option A and D. So part 4th is correct answer. Principal Criticism, published during 1924 and The Meaning of Meaning, published during 1946. Next question, choose the correct option. Principles of Literary Criticism, 1924. Practical Criticism, 1930. Coleridge on Imagination, 1935. The Meaning of Meaning, 1946. So these are the options A, B, B, C, C, D and A, D. So correct answer option A and D. 4th part is correct. Principles of Literary Criticism, 1924 and The Meaning of Meaning, 1946. These are the notable work. The Foundation of Aesthetics with C.K. Ogden and James Wood. These are the collaborative work. And Principal Literary Criticism, important book. And Practical Criticism, also important. Coleridge on Imagination, 1934. Meaning of Meaning, 1946 with C.K. Ogden. And these are the notable works. Next question. In practical criticism, I.A. Richards links four kinds of meanings in the most human utterances or two, four aspects. These are the four aspects: sense, tone, image, feeling, feeling, sense, voice, intention, tone, intention, feeling, sound, sense, feeling, tone, and intention. So, correct sequence is sense, feeling, tone, and intention. Four kinds of functions or meaning as enlisted by I. Richards are the following: sense, feeling, tone, and intention in the practical criticism. Next question. C.K. Ogden and I. Richards are reputed in the 1930s for the introducing options: practical criticism, basic English project, new criticism, standard English project. So answer, basic English project. Along with C.K. Ogden, Charles also created a simplified language called Basic English, which consisted of a primary vocabulary of 850 words. Next question. The term practical criticism is coined by options: William Ampson, I.A. Richards, F.R. Lewis, Matthew Arnold. Correct answer, I.A. Richards. This term is devised by the critic I. Richards in 1920s and illustrated in his book Practical Criticism 1929.